Hey everyone, and welcome to the PlayerPrefs course. Whether you're just starting out in Unity or you're ready to take full control of how your game saves and loads data, you're in the right place. In this series, we'll be building out our own UI and incorporate Unity's PlayerPrefs system into it. Along the way, you'll learn over 25 Unity concepts with examples and explanations to help you learn. I'm excited to dive into this with you, but before we begin, here's a quick overview of everything you'll learn throughout the course. In video 2, we'll cover what PlayerPrefs is and when it is useful, when the data gets stored, how the PlayerPrefs saves data, and how it loads it back. In this video, we're going to set up a brand new Unity project and go over a few helpful things you should always do when you first set things up. In video 4, we'll create a simple UI using buttons, text, and string input. We'll also add a background and move things around so the layout looks clean. In video 5, we'll go over all the PlayerPrefs static methods before we use them. In video 6, we'll look at how to create variables using types like int, float, and string. You'll also learn how to use SerializedFields, and I'll show you how to add headers in your scripts for better organization. In video 7, here we'll actually create the methods to save and load data using the PlayerPrefs. We'll also cover conditional statements and talk about the null operator, what it is and why it is useful. In video 8, we'll learn how to reset your PlayerPrefs data, whether you want to clear everything or just specific keys. In video 9, we'll create methods to update the UI based on PlayerPrefs data. We'll also make some utility functions and cover basic lifecycle methods to keep everything working smoothly. In video 10, we'll add some functionality to save data automatically when the game quits. And I'll introduce you to preprocessor directives and how they can help. In video 11, I'll show you how to connect on-click events to UI buttons, and we'll also go over some common issues that you can come up with when wiring things up. In video 12, we're going to look at how to access and modify your PlayerPrefs data directly from the Windows registry without ever touching the UI. I hope you're excited to get started with this free course. It took a ton of time to make, and so I hope you all enjoy it. Of course, if you get stuck or run into any issues, please just reach out to me in the comments. I'm here to help you out every step of the way. Now, if you have your coffee or your snack ready, let's get started with learning the PlayerPrefs system. I'll see you in the next video.